What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Masked Up Motors, and this is your boy Daddy, and right here is Turbo. Turbo just wanted to be part of the video. Turbo, say hi.
Hi, he's forcing me to be here. Please help.
So today I am installing these Raceland coilovers. I did send my rims out to get them put on some tires. I'm not really gonna go too in detail on installing the coilovers. I did that in my previous video, and I just wanted to kind of show you guys what I'm doing. Right, Turbo, you gonna give me a hand today? No? You don't want to say anything? Alright guys, so now check this out. I know I'm not really showing too much of the process, but obviously this is the new coilover and this is the old crusty musty one. I am going to probably lift the ride height, just maybe like 1 or 2 turns, mostly because I'm going to be using this car in the winter time in the snow. So I'm just going to probably lift it up just a little bit, since I do also have some thicker wheels. It'll probably just stretch the tires just a tad and lower it to the regular stock height. So I will show you guys the end result of just the coilover, and then hopefully we can get the tires installed with those rims. Pretty much it. All I gotta do is tighten up these bolts. Too easy, guys, too easy. Gotta tighten this up, put these bolts in, and then do 4 more. Or 3 more. Alright guys, I did a quick little test fit to see how it would all come together, and I am very satisfied. Oh man, that's gonna look sick. I'm a little scared that the clearance up front might give me some issues, but with the coilover inside, I think that should not be too much of a problem. But man, can't wait to get those wheels mounted. Record time. I think this literally took me, I don't know, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Too easy, guys, too easy. All right, so now I'm just going to match this side with the other side and go from there. All right, guys, so I was just sizing up this coilover to match the stock height from the old suspension, and I was like, why is it so tall in comparison to the other one? So I grabbed the old one, and I'm not sure if you guys noticed that, but that's almost like an inch difference. So they're pretty lined up right over here, but that's a whole inch. Man, not really sure if I should match which side now. Guys, if you're wondering what I'm doing right now, there's like these are like camber bolts that are on this, and they have to be on in a certain way. It's all tight. Now I just gotta do the top, and this is done. So right now, I'm just tightening up these coils. For me, I like to just tighten them enough to where like I can't physically move them, and then that'll be like a good spot for me. And we'll tighten that up. We got one down, the other side's done. Just 2 more to go, and that's in the rear. All right, for these rear ones, they're a little bit different. Not sure if you guys can see it on video. Right there, and not sure, but possibly right there as well. So we got those 3 bolts that need to come out. One is a link, the other one's holding this control arm, and the other one is holding that suspension. So I'm gonna have to take off all 3 in order to wiggle this thing up and down. Might need a jack for this, but we shall see. And she's out. Ish. There we go. All right, guys, I finally, oh crap. I finally got them all in. It's looking pretty nice. I do love the green, gold, bronze, orange type deal. The other one's in there, but I really can't wait to put those rims on. All right, guys, so that's all I got for you guys today. Seriously, Raceland. Come on, it's my second set of Raceland coilovers. I went from the basic one, which I completely forgot what they're called, to these Ultimos, and I don't know, maybe next time I'll get those Pro models or whatever they are. I'm just gonna need to get another car to try those out, or I don't know, maybe upgrade it on my other Subi, but yeah. So like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button, and yeah, this is looking pretty nice. I'm really excited to get these rims put on. I was hoping to pick them up today, but they closed on me, so I'm very upset. And yeah, hopefully next week I can show you guys, and yeah, we can start working on this thing. I think it's over here or over here. It's somewhere along these lines. YouTube recommendations, I got the playlist going on, and I'll see you.